गोय वैद्यकीय महाविद्यालयांत वखदां विकती घेवपाक जो व्यवहार जाता तो पारदर्शक आसा, तातूंत कसलोच घोटाळो ना। ह्या संदर्भात जर काँग्रेसीच्या प्रदेशाध्यक्षाक कसलोय दुबाव आसत तर तांणी उच्च न्यायालयान ना तर सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान वचचें। इतलेंच न्हय तर ह्या विशयाचेर काँग्रेसीच्या प्रदेशाध्यक्षा बरोबर खंयूय आनी कसलीय चर्चा करपाक आपूण तयार आसा, अशें भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी सांगलां। RTX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Effort that is being put in Goa Medical College on a regular basis. What models we are following in Goa Medical College, lots of people get, lots of people have various vested interests and then they operate differently. As a result, many times when you bring about a change in the system, it then goes to the court. As far as Goa Medical College is concerned, we all know in the past, before I became the health minister and in the prior also, we started free medicines in the past. This is going on for so many years. Goa is the only state where we are giving free medication for the people in-house, as well as OPD patients. We are giving medications to the medicines to the people. And what happens sometimes is when you have a tender, you float a tender. This tender document also, an in-house pharmacy concept, is not only a new concept, it is also available in several hospitals and government and municipal hospitals in Delhi, in Mumbai, in Pune, and in several other parts of the country. Thana Municipal Corporation Hospital also follows the same in-house pharmacy concept. Basically what happens is that so the patient doesn't have to run from pillar to post to get any emergency medicines. And also I would like to mention today that the Congress party has no issues. I will come to that subsequently. Let us clarify this purchase of procurement of medicines. We floated a tender of approximately 60 crores. He is making allegations against Dr. Bandekar. Dr. Bandekar is one of the finest doctors of Goa Medical College and I strongly stand behind him, and that is why we have kept him as the dean of the institution, because we require people like him. What Congress party and Girish Chodankar जे करतात ते सामान्य मनशाचे लाईफ वाचोवपाचो प्रयत्न ते करिना, लोकांचे ह्या तरेचे अडथळे हाडून हे ऑब्स्टिकल्स हाडपाचो त्यांचो प्रयत्न करता। पण आम्ही आमचो सरकार जो आहा वो गरीब मनशाच्या हितान काम करता। सगळीकडे आम्ही डायलिसिस पासून तरेतरेची सोयी सुविधा जे काँग्रेस टायमान नाशिल्ली, आयज आम्ही ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा। Every HOD has to certify that this is the requirement of his department, only then it is procured. So there is no question, it is totally a transparent procedure and transparently it has been followed. And only every HOD has the authority to do requisitioning medicines that they require, which is not available in the central stores of the Goa Medical College. This is very important. Don't play with the lives of the people of the state. If somebody is doing a good job, allow him to do a good job. Last time they made allegations of the chief minister on his properties without reading the survey numbers correctly. Today they are making allegations on me, tomorrow they will make allegations on somebody else. So really it does not matter what Girish is talking. Unfortunately I feel very bad, because he has never got elected to any position in the assembly. It hurts me to see such a national party have a leader who can never get elected in future also. I would like to challenge this Girish Chodankar. I thought he's an intelligent teacher. Let's have a debate, and let's have a debate on any forum. Let him get experts. I myself alone am enough to take on this guy, because this guy doesn't study his facts. आरोग्य सेवा जी हा गरीब मनशाक योग्य तरेन मेळपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न। तेका जर कितें चॅलेंज करपाक जाय तेका कोर्टान चल आनी कर म्हूण सांग, आमी थंय पळोवया कितें करूंक जाय। कित्याक हा गिरीश चोडणकर सांगता म्हणून राज्य चलूं शकना। तेजो जर सरकार आसलो तेणी तें चलोवप, तेजो सरकार ना आयज, आमचो सरकार हा आनी आमी ट्रान्सपरंटली आमचें काम करता, टेंडरच्या माध्यमांतल्यान काम करता। कोर्टान लोक गेले, ती स्क्रुटिनी जाली, आनी कितले स्क्रुटिनी करूंक जाय। म्हणून गिरीश चोडणकराक जर कितें प्रश्न आनी कितें खंय तरी दुखता की बरें काम चल्लां म्हणून गोंया राज्यांत, तेणी कोर्टाक वचून दारां मारून कांय फरक पडना। तेन्ना आमी हे कंडिशन्स जे म्हणटा न्हय तो ते कंडिशन्स बी कोर्टान स्क्रुटिनी केल्ली। म्हणून हांव एक विनंती करता गिरीशाक की तेणी राजकारण करूंक जाय। राजकारण प्रत्येक विरोधी पक्ष करता, पण राजकारण करून लोकांक त्रासांत घालूं नाका।